In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LastPass passwords. Exporting your passwords is useful for creating a secure backup, moving to another manager, or auditing what you have saved. The export from LastPass typically comes as a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet style format. Because that file can contain website addresses, usernames, and notes, treat it like a sensitive document from the moment it's created. Start by going to the LastPass vault in your browser. You can type the direct address into the address bar to arrive at the page where all your saved items live. If you see a prompt to verify your account, that's normal for a secure service. Once you land in the vault, you should see your passwords, secure notes, and other items listed in the main area with a navigation panel along the left side. Next, look to the left-hand side of the vault for advanced options. This appears in the navigation column and may be grouped with other management features. It's designed for tasks that affect your data at a higher level, like importing and exporting. Click on Advanced Options on the left to open it, so you can access the tools relevant to managing your vault content. Within Advanced Options, click on Export. This is the action that gathers your saved items and prepares them in a file you can download. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a quick download appear at the bottom of the window, or a system dialog may appear asking where to save it. The exact look and location will vary across browsers and operating systems, but the result is the same. LastPass prepares your data in a portable format. A quick word on safety. That exported file is not encrypted by default, so handle it carefully. Store it in a secure location, avoid sharing it through email or unsecured cloud folders, and consider how long you actually need to keep it. When you no longer need the file, delete it securely so it doesn't linger on your device or in your trash. If you don't immediately see advanced options or export, ensure you're viewing the full Web Vault page and that the window isn't too narrow to show the left panel. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but the export control remains in the Vault's management area. Sticking with the Web Vault gives you the most consistent path. That's all there is to it. Go to your LastPass Vault, open Advanced Options on the left, and click Export. You now have a copy of your saved logins that you can safeguard or use for migration. Thanks for watching, and take care of that file.